Hello and welcome to Teach to Learn, the channel in which I teach concepts so you can learn them and I can better understand them. Right now we're going to be learning how to use the destructuring assignment to assign variables from arrays. This is from the ES6 module from the JavaScript Algorithms and Data Structures course from Free Code Camp. So let's dive right in. ES6 makes destructuring arrays as easy as destructuring objects. One key difference between the spread operator and array destructuring, the spread operator we learned about in the previous lessons, is that the spread operator unpacks all contents of an array into a comma-separated list. Consequently, you cannot pick or choose which elements you want to assign to variables. Destructuring an array lets us do exactly that. So then we have the following code in which we have the const keyword and then the destructuring assignment with variables A and B. And then we use the assignment operator to refer to an array with number values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then the values of A and B, the variables A and B, are logged into the console, and they say the console will display the values of A and B as 1 and 2. Let's see that in action real quick. Copy and paste that right here. So as you can see right here, using the destructuring assignment, variables A and B have received the first two values of our array, which are 1 and 2, which you can see right here. And then they say the variable A is assigned the first value of the array, and B is assigned the second value of the array, as we've just seen. We can also access the value at any index in an array with destructuring by using commas to reach the desired index. So then we have the following code. We have the const keyword, then use array destructuring with variables A, B, and then this comma is used as a separator, and these two mean that these two other values will be skipped. So C will take the value of 5. And as you can see, when these three variables are logged into the console by using these commas right here, the console will display the values of A, B, and C as 1, 2, and 5. So our code goes for A, takes the value of 1, for B, takes the value of 2, then this indicates a separation between the variables, and these two are skipping over values 3, 4, eventually landing on 5 at C. So, as you can see, the console will display the values of A, B, and C as 1, 2, and 5, which we can see for ourselves. There you go. So, 1, 2, and 5. These two commas right here are causing our code to skip over values 3 and 4 within our array, and then eventually landing at 5 at C. So let's reset our code and move on to the challenge. We need to use the destructuring assignment to swap the values of A and B so that A receives the value stored in B and B receives the value stored in A. So firstly, we have this right here. We have variables A and B declared with the let keyword, meaning that they cannot be redeclared, but they can be reassigned. Remember that. So we simply go in, since our variable has already been declared, and use our destructuring assignment, and set variables A and B, and then use our assignment operator and simply swap in the values so that they contain each other's number values. You'll see what I mean in a moment. So I think this is all that we had to do. Now when we go into the console, initially our A variable contained a value of 8 and our B variable contained a value of 6. When we go into the console, you'll see that their values have been swapped. So A and B. And as you can see, A now contains a value of 6 and B contains a value of 8. So we successfully used the destructuring assignment to swap the values contained in these variables. We used it to assign variables from arrays. So let's run the test and see if we are correct. And yes, we are. Thank you so much for watching. This has been your bearded coding friend, Teach to Learn, and I'll see you guys in the next one.